March 28th, 2025, a day of unprecedented upheaval for Southeast Asia. A colossal 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck central Myanmar, sending shockwaves that reverberated through neighboring countries and plunging cities like Bangkok into turmoil. At approximately 12:50 p.m. local time, the earth convulsed near Mandalay, Myanmar's second-largest city. The seismic event caused immediate and widespread destruction, with buildings collapsing and infrastructure severely compromised. In Mandalay, the devastation was profound. Residential structures crumbled, and the historic former royal palace sustained significant damage. The Myanmar government promptly declared a state of emergency in 6 regions, including the capital, Naypyidaw, as they grappled with the unfolding crisis. But the earthquake's impact extended far beyond Myanmar's borders. Over 1,000 kilometers away, in Bangkok, Thailand, the tremors were felt with alarming intensity, causing buildings to sway and inciting mass evacuations as fear and uncertainty gripped the city. One of the most harrowing incidents in Bangkok was the collapse of a 30-story skyscraper under construction in the Chatuchak district. The disaster resulted in at least 2 fatalities and left dozens trapped beneath the rubble. Emergency responders worked tirelessly, battling against time to rescue those trapped, successfully extracting several survivors amidst the chaos. The earthquake's impact on infrastructure was profound. Metro and light rail services in Bangkok were partially suspended, causing widespread disruption. Financial markets weren't immune either. Trading on the stock exchange of Thailand was temporarily halted as the nation grappled with the unfolding disaster. In response to the catastrophe, Thai Prime Minister Phayet Thongtarn Shinawatra declared a state of emergency in Bangkok, urging citizens to remain calm and assuring them that rescue and relief operations were underway. The Thai capital was officially designated a disaster area, highlighting the severity of the situation. The earthquake's tremors were felt across various parts of Thailand, including Chiang Mai, causing panic and evacuations nationwide. Beyond Thailand, the quake's influence reached China's Yunnan province, where houses were damaged and several people sustained injuries in the border city of Ruili. India too felt the tremors. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed solidarity with the affected nations and pledged India's support in relief efforts, emphasizing the need for regional cooperation in times of crisis. The international community responded swiftly. Aid poured in from various countries, with rescue teams, medical supplies, and financial assistance directed towards the affected regions. Temporary shelters were established to house those displaced by the disaster, and medical teams worked tirelessly to tend to the injured, while volunteers distributed food and essential supplies. Amidst the devastation, stories of resilience and hope emerged. The unwavering spirit of the affected communities, combined with the dedication of rescue workers, showcased humanity's capacity to unite in the face of adversity. Seismologists identified the Sagaing Fault as the source of the earthquake. This fault line has a history of significant seismic activity, and experts have long warned of its potential to produce powerful quakes. The 7.7 magnitude quake was followed by a 6.4 magnitude aftershock, compounding the challenges faced by the affected regions. The structural integrity of numerous buildings was compromised, leading to concerns about further collapses and the safety of residents. As the dust settles, the focus shifts to rebuilding and healing. Communities have come together, demonstrating resilience and solidarity in the face of tragedy. This earthquake serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable forces of nature and underscores the importance of preparedness and international cooperation in mitigating the impact of such disasters. The road to recovery will be long, but with collective effort and unwavering determination, the affected regions will rebuild and emerge stronger.
เนี่ยดูดิน้ำแบบกระจายเลยคนลุกไปหมดเลยตกใจอ่ะตายออกมาเผื่ออะไรมันจะล้มอาจจะอะไร
快龙啊，特别棒。
Oh my.
No, maybe that's not right.
ให้นั่งลงต่ำนะครับนั่งลงต่ำนะครับนิดนึงนี่จะนัดวันโตไปฐาน